External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has urged Indian businesses to adopt a balanced strategy in their dealings with China, cautioning against over-reliance on Chinese supply chains. Speaking at an ASSOCHAM session, he highlighted the risks of excessive dependence on a single supply chain, particularly its impact on India's micro, small, and medium enterprises. While acknowledging China's dominance in global manufacturing, Jaishankar emphasized that business with China should consider long-term implications for India's economy and industries. On the recent resolution of friction points along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh, Jaishankar noted some progress but stressed the need for further dialogue with China. He described the ongoing border discussions as complex, requiring a balanced approach to ensure stability. Jaishankar also addressed disruptions in global shipping lanes due to the West Asia conflict, acknowledging their adverse economic impact. He revealed India's proactive measures, including naval deployments, to ensure trade security and facilitate discussions with key stakeholders like Iran and Israel. Stressing the importance of reducing tensions in the region, he called for restraint, ceasefires, and negotiations to protect economic interests. On trade relations with Russia, Jaishankar highlighted India's push for better market access, especially in pharmaceuticals, marine, and agro-products. He criticized non-tariff barriers and called for enhanced efforts to persuade Russia to open its economy further to Indian exports. The minister's remarks underline India's strategic efforts to diversify economic dependencies, safeguard its interests, and navigate complex global challenges while maintaining steady diplomatic engagements.